Fire is changing the face of Yellowstone National Park. Areas that were once picture postcards of scenic beauty are now charred moonscapes. For visitors, it's a scene that brings strong emotions.
Just gave kind of a bad feeling, really did, the devastation.
But for scientists such as Don Despain, the fires here are simply part of the order of things.
From my standpoint as a research biologist, it's neither good nor bad. It's a part of nature.
Despain has studied the history of fires in Yellowstone, and he says that even in the midst of devastation, there is already life springing from the ashes.
The root crowns, some rhizomes in the soil, and seeds that are still alive in that soil, and they'll begin growth next spring. There'll be a lot of fertilizer from the ash.
Naturalist Louisa Wilcox says fires are an important part of the ecosystem at Yellowstone, getting rid of old vegetation and making way for new.
Fire has largely taken the place of other decomposers in this ecosystem. Unlike other parts of the country, we do not have the fungi and bacteria needed to decompose dead plant life and dead animal life here.
Although the fires may cause some problems for wildlife in the short term, burning some and destroying the feeding grounds of others, Wilcox says it will be better for them in the long run.
In the long run, we're going to see greener areas, more nutritious habitat, more valuable habitat for an array of different species in Greater Yellowstone.
Yellowstone has a history of big fires such as this. The last one was in the mid-1800s.
And maybe 100, 150 years before that, 1750, 1730, somewhere in there was another time when there were very large fires of this kind. And it's quite evident that this thing has gone on for thousands of years.
Biologists say that we will not see mature trees on the burned areas in our lifetime. On the other hand, we're enjoying the product of past fires. Those trees back up on the hill are about 120 years old, and they're the product of a fire here in the 1860s. Craig Heaps for CNN, Yellowstone National Park.